Welcome everyone, you are watching Networking Root and today we will learn how to add guest add-ons for Kali Linux 2021 ISO image and how to update and upgrade our system so that we can fully utilize this operating system for our ethical hacking purposes. Note, this video is for educational purposes only. Be safe, be secure. So guys, you can see on your screen, you can see this Kali Linux in this area only. So this is very hard to work, but some people prefer it, but I like my screen to be big. So full screen actually, like first of all, click here on the devices and insert guest add-on CD image. It will show us a pop-up and we will be doing our business after this. Read this prompt, it wants us to run, but no, I don't want to run it. Click on cancel and right click on this disk and let's go for open. Here we have all the contents. Control A, copy everything from here and I will be putting this in the documents folder. I will be creating a new folder. I will call it 12 and I will be pasting the content of the disk here. Paste. And here we have everything from the disk. So to utilize this disk, right click here and open the terminal. Here we have to write some commands and we will be good to go to use this in the full screen mode. Type ls and press enter. Ls is list. It will list everything in the directory that we are in. And we are looking for this vbox file. Right click, copy and type here sudo chmod +x and paste this file name. Press the enter. After pressing the enter, it will ask you for your root password. I'm gonna put my root password here. Press enter and it's done. To run this, we have to do sudo // and the name of the file. The prompt is asking yes or no. We will definitely say yes because we want to install this. It will take some time and it will install shortly. And after restarting, your virtual machine will be shown to you in the full screen mode. We will wait for it and after that I will restart the machine and I will be showing you how to update and upgrade your system. After restarting our system, you can see we have the full screen mode now and we don't need this right now. Right click on that and eject this. So now we need to update and upgrade our system. Why do we need to do that? Because on like weekly or daily basis, Kali Linux is getting updated. So we need to keep it up. So to do that, we need to go to terminal. Click on the terminal and a terminal will show up in matter of seconds. Now you can see the terminal here. So first command you need to run is update. For that sudo, what does this sudo mean? Sudo means super user do. So super user is administrator. Administrator is super user in the Kali Linux and we are not logged in as a super user because logging in as a super user, it can damage your system if you don't know your file system and way around. So after sudo, we will put apt get update. Enter. It will ask for your password. You have to put it and press the enter and it will go on the internet and search for the new dependencies, repositories and updates for this version of Kali Linux. It may take a while, like it's going fast because I have a super fast internet connection, but this is the update process, not the upgrade process. Mind that. When we will do the upgrade process, it will take long actually. I think it will take up to half an hour to 1 hour depending on your internet system. And I will be showing you the how to start that process. First, we need to run the upgrade command. It is asking us, do you want to upgrade it or do you want to install all these new packets or not? We will say why, yes, and press the enter. It took me almost 1 hour to download, extract, unpack and remove the old files. I just run this command. Remember that sudo apt get upgrade and it took care of everything in terms of upgrading my system. Now you can do one thing. You don't need to change this. You just need to put dist and hyphen. What this command will do, it will upgrade your distribution, Ubuntu distribution to the latest version. I don't feel like we need to do this right now. We will do this in upcoming videos, but if you have a good internet connection and you have patience to do it, feel free to do it. Just after pressing the enter, say yes to the prompt and it will take 1 or 2 hours maybe in between. So in the next video, I will be installing Tor services on my Kali Linux and I will be letting you know how to anonymize yourself using proxy chains. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find my content useful, consider subscribing, liking, sharing, and leaving a comment down below. Networking Roots signing off.